We've all been there, happily writing on our beautiful manuscript. And then BAM! The brain cramps! Loss of finger motor skills! Blurry vision! Can't see nothing! But don't you worry, there's a way out of it. Just drink this. You'll be fine. Only $9.99. Kidding, of course, but now that I have your attention, I can tell you how to get rid of your brain cramps. I'm talking about writer's block, if you haven't guessed it. Before you do anything else, you need to identify the problem. What's stopping you? Is it a hard scene? Or is it life getting in the way? Or is it something else just preventing you from continuing to write? Because writer's block is a real thing, and when you have it, you don't know what to do to get over it. But identify what it is, and I'll help you get rid of it, or I'll overcome it. Then you remove the hard scene or the obstacle that's in your way. Or you can skip it and deal with it later when you have more motivation. Instead, go for something that's interesting and makes you happier to write, instead of the transportation scene or something like that. And another important thing you can try is to reset, do something else, get out of your head and do something physical, like go for a walk, or I usually work out because it makes me happy and I don't have to think about anything else. And it releases a lot of endorphins, and that's just great. And when you've removed the obstacle or the hard scene that's in your way and you reset, you're ready for a new round. And now you want to get back into the mindset. Follow your past footsteps, go through your previous work, just scroll through, read about it. If you want to edit something just to break the cycle of writing, then do so, but don't get stuck in the editing phase. Just start typing something, even if it means you're gonna have to delete it later. Just start somewhere so you get into the flow and your fingers moving on the keyboard or with the pen if you're that kind of person. And then when you feel like you have your focus again, or a little bit of your focus, you can try to actually write something that you want in your book, and just mark everything that you have written to get yourself into the feeling, but you don't want to keep, and delete it, and then start writing your scene, or work on another scene in another part of the book to get out of that piece of the book. If you find the middle hard, then maybe try to write the end. And if that doesn't help, well, then remember, as I say sometimes, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time in writing your book, stay consistent, and avoid burning out. And by staying consistent, I mean try to write a little bit each day or each week to keep yourself in the flow, instead of writing a lot in 1 week and then burning out, and then you have to have like a month recuperating from that writing session. Because it's better to stop wanting to write more than to write everything you can and then burn out. And if you feel like that's the case, that, oh, if I write now, I'm going to burn out, well, then stop yourself. And then stop yourself mid-chapter, take a step back, think about your book during the evening or the couple of days, and then you'll have the motivation to keep going, because you stop yourself from actually finishing. You'll be like, whoa, I need to write more. I need to finish this, and then you get more creative, and well, it's just a good cycle that keeps on giving, isn't it? Do you remember all the tips that I just said? If not, you can go back in the video and watch each step. And if you want a bonus tip, then I can tell you that try to remove the distractions. Distractions often cause you to lose your focus on writing and put your focus somewhere else. And that's just frustrating, isn't it? So remove your distractions. Like if you have two monitors on your screen, maybe you should shut down the other monitor so you don't watch YouTube all the time. Yeah, I'm watching it, you Linus, you do that all the time. And it's better to put 1 hour or half an hour on actually doing 100% writing than to draw it out for 4 to 5 hours and feel like you're not getting anywhere because you're just watching YouTube. Again, Linus, stop watching YouTube. I'm sorry, okay? It's not good for you. You need to do YouTube, not watch YouTube. Okay. It's just so easy to get stuck on YouTube, you know? I'll try. I'll do my best. That boy, he needs to learn. Luckily, I have a few videos that will help him learn. Like this playlist right here, with all the tips and things that I have done so far on YouTube. About writing, of course, yeah. I have this new light that shines from the left. I built it myself. Kind of proud. It's better than the yellow light that I had in the previous video, don't you think? If so, maybe leave a comment in the section below and tell me how you like it. And that's that. I'll see you in the videos of the playlist that you're going to click in 3, 2, 1. Click it. No? Okay. I'll give you another chance in the outro. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.